Our next example, this time we're looking at figure that has vertices j, k, m, n, so it's going to be a quadrilateral. So let's see, we have point J, which is at 2, 4. So J is at 2, 4. K is at 2, 6. M is at 8, 6. And then we have N, which is at 8, 2. Okay, so now it says graph the figure and the image of the polygon after a dilation with a scale factor of 1 to 2, so 1/2. So that means I'm going to take each coordinate and each ordered pair, and I'm going to take the x value and I'm going to multiply that by 1/2. So I'm going to have j prime, or the new point for j, sorry, that looks like j and j. So this, we're going to have 2 multiplied by 1/2, which is going to be 1. And we have 4 multiplied by 1/2, which is 2. So the new point for j is going to be 1, 2. If we look at k prime, then we have 2 times 1/2, and then 6 times 1/2, and that's going to be 1 and 3. Then we have m prime, which is going to be 8 times 1/2, and then 6 times 1/2. That will be 4, 3. And then point n prime after the dilation. So again, we're multiplying with a scale factor of 1/2. So a fraction, or any numbers less than 1, it's going to be a smaller shape than the original. And then we have 8 and 2, so then 8 times 1/2 is 4, and then 2 times 1/2 is 1. So if I were to plot these, it would be a larger shape than after I plot it. So I'm going to go ahead and plot it now. So here's the original 2, 4. So 2, 2, 4. So here's original j, and then we have k is 2, 6. So 2, that was 4, so 6 is here. Oops, kind of overlapping. J, and this is k. Then we have m is 8, 6. So we'll go 2, 4, so that's 10, 3 more, 8. And then 6 is 2, 4, 6. This is m. And then we have n is 8, 2. So 8 and 2. All right, so here's our shape. Okay, and let me draw the dilation. So again, we multiply by a fraction scale factor, so our shape should be smaller in size. So we have point J is 1, 2. So we have 1, 2. This is J prime. Then we have K as 1, 3. So 1, 3 right above it. So that's K prime. Then we have M, which is 4, 3. So we have 2, 4, and then 2, 3. And 4, 1. So 4, 1 right here. It's a slightly different. There we go, a little bit smaller. And then that would be M prime and N prime. And that shows a dilation of 1/2.